can yell into that wall. I can yell into that wall. One of my favorite things about this $1.5 million listing is that you can go from something like this to this, which is pretty cool, Mother Nature, to this beautiful gated complex with a Mediterranean Tuscan architectural design. Also, check out this grand entrance of a courtyard. This is so cool. To this, an 1,800 square foot penthouse, recently renovated, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 balconies, super high ceilings, and check out this loft. It could be an office or a guest bedroom. So check this out. I can yell into that wall. I can yell into that wall. I can even yell into that one. Can't really yell into that one, but I can totally yell into that one and no one's going to hear me. I mean, don't push it, but the point is many condos share about 60% of their walls with another unit. In this unit, you're only sharing 10%. I mean, this is as close as you can get to like a townhouse setup without a townhouse price. This unit was recently renovated. Now, something to keep in mind though, it was done with the love and the care and the attention that can really only be given by someone who planned on calling this home, as opposed to a flipper who's really just looking to reduce costs and maximize profits. For example, these floors, this is something that you would find on a $6 million house. I mean, at $9 per square foot, no flipper is going to do this. Now, these are white oak engineered hardwood floors. Now, a lot of people hear engineered and they're like, what are those fake? No, these are real, they're just layered differently. Now, unlike vinyl or laminate floors, these you can actually resurface them. And these specifically, because of the quality, you can do so multiple times if they ever get damaged, dented, or scratched. Now, if you don't believe me on the quality, the manufacturer offers a 50-year warranty. Something else a flipper wouldn't do? $4,000 on hand-blown pendant lights. Also, check out the mood lighting on this place. I mean, you can go from something like this to this, or this, or this, which is pretty cool. Now, another thing a flipper's not gonna do, spend $16,000 on window treatments. Now, this is something that a lot of buyers don't appreciate or overlook until they buy a house, and then they're like, holy moly, window treatments are expensive. But check these out. Remote control. What? That is so cool. Now, another thing, this unit has a southern facing direction, which means that you're getting the most amount of light throughout the day, as opposed to if you were facing north, east, or west. Now, if you love plants, in this unit, plants are gonna love you. Now, just as an example of the detail and attention that was given to this place, these are steel balusters. It took 2 guys 2 weeks to put these in. So yes, if you're looking for a condo in one of the best locations in Playa Vista that was renovated with the love, care, and attention of a real person, and that has a townhouse setup but with a condo price, you're gonna love this unit.